Class 10 Polynomials exercise. This is the third exercise in that fourth problem. The question is, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Okay, so what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find g of x here. Alright, so the polynomial is given. Polynomial is what? X cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2. Okay, so let's write that first. See, p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. And what else is given? Quotient is given. Quotient and remainder. Okay, both are given. So what is the quotient? Quotient is q of x is equal to x minus 2. And what is remainder? Remainder r of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4. What are we supposed to find? We need to find g of x. Now how can we find that? We know this division algorithm for polynomials, right? So what is the equation? Division algorithm for polynomials? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So let's substitute. Okay, what is p of x? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to g of x into q of x. What is q of x? X minus 2 plus what is r of x? Minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is the equation. In this, what are we supposed to find? We need to find g of x. How can we find? We'll keep g of x here. Whatever other terms are there, okay, whatever polynomials are there, let's bring all these polynomials to the other side. Alright, so let's bring one by one. We can't do it at all at one step. So let's bring one by one. First we have to bring this plus of minus 2x plus 4 to the other side. So this plus of minus 2x plus 4, when you take it to the other side, what happens? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and then see this plus, when you take to the other side it becomes minus. So it is minus of minus 2x plus 4. And what is here? G of x into x minus 2. Now what we should do? Bring this x minus 2 to the other side. So see, this is in multiplication form. When you bring it to the other side, what happens? It becomes in division form. Okay. Now before that, what we will do, we'll simplify this. Okay, let's remove the bracket and simplify this. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Here minus is there, here also minus. So when there is a bracket, what did I say? It is multiplication. So what is minus into minus? Plus 2x. And then here plus, and here it is minus. Minus into plus is minus 4. Okay. And now you bring this x minus 2 to the other side. So it is in multiplication form. When you bring to the other side, it becomes division form. So what happens? Divided by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. Now let's simplify this even further. Okay, so what is there? X cube, okay, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. Okay, so what is x cube minus 3x square plus x? See, any like terms are here? See, there is one like term. This is x and this is plus 2x. So let's put this together. So it becomes x cube minus 3x square and then plus x plus 2x, and then 2 and minus 4 are like terms. Okay, so plus 2 minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. Okay, now what happens? X cube minus 3x square. What is plus x plus 2x? Both are positive, so add both. Plus x means 1. Okay, what is 1x plus 2x? 3x. So plus 3x. This is plus 2 minus 4. So different sign, so we should subtract. When we subtract, what do we get? We get 2. Take the sign of bigger number, which is the bigger number 4. So it becomes minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. Okay, so this is what we have got. Okay, so this is the polynomial divided by this. So to find g of x, we have to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. So let's divide that. So this is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and here it is x minus 2. Okay, so let's divide this. See, take the highest degree in this polynomial and take the highest degree in this polynomial. So highest degree is x cube here, and here it is x. Let's divide. See, this is x cube divided by x. What is x cube divided by x? X cube can be written as x into x into x divided by x. X gets cancelled. X into x is x square. Okay, so here it is x square. So x into x square is x cube, and then multiply this minus 2 also. So minus into plus is minus, and then 2 into x square is 2x square. Okay, so plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So it is minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Now what is the highest degree? X square. Okay, and here it is x. Let's divide. So this is minus x square. So be careful. Alright, so I'm dividing it here. Minus x square divided by x. So minus x square. So x and 1x gets cancelled. So the answer is minus x. Am I right? Okay, so what we should write here? We should write minus x. So x into, see, first we'll multiply. Plus into minus is minus, and then see, this we have already multiplied. Okay, so this is already done, so forget about this. We'll do only this. Okay, so plus into minus is minus, x into x is x square, and then here 2 and x is there. Okay, so minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x. Okay, now let's subtract. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So this gets cancelled, and plus 3x minus 2x. So do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is 1x minus 2. Now what is the highest degree here? Okay, x square, x to the power of 1. So x to the power of 1 divided by what is here? X. Okay, so x divided by x. X ones are x, x ones are x. So the answer is x. I'm sorry, the answer is 1. So let's write 1 here. Plus 1 or minus 1? It is plus 1. Okay, so put plus 1 here. Alright. Now what do we get? X into 1 is 1x, and then minus into plus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now this gets cancelled. Minus 2 and plus 2 also gets cancelled. So the remainder is 0. So what is the answer? What is g of x? X square minus x plus 1. So write that here. Therefore, g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is the answer.